In this video, we will use the TensorFlow library to do the machine learning processing with ESP32CAM microcontroller. First, we will download the TensorFlow models from Espressif official GitHub link. Here you can see that Espressif has forked the official TensorFlow library from TensorFlow itself. You can clone this repo using the git clone command followed by the repo name. It will take some time. Maybe rename it to TensorFlow_ESP to remember, but I will keep it as it is for now. By the time it is being cloned, let's go to TensorFlow Lite Micro examples to see the person detection example available here along with other examples. Let's go to README in person detection folder and see the instructions on how we will generate the example using the make command for Arduino or ESP32. This will be done after the repo is cloned. The example project can be generated with the following command. Okay, now it is downloaded. Let's go to TensorFlow folder, cd TensorFlow. Copy and paste the make command which I just showed. It will take quite long as it will download some dataset and other files. It will take around maybe half an hour or more. Once done, please note that you might have to run this command again because when I was testing, every time it was stopping at the first go, but when you run the command second time, it just installed the missing files and was very quick at the second time. Another thing, here it says that it is a person detection model. Actually, in person detection, machine learning model is supposed to show the bounding box as well, but here with this code, it only gives the score according to if the person is there in the image or not. So here in case of microcontroller, by person detection, it actually means the person classification. Let's head to this directory to see the generated person detection example codes. The person detection example requires an external ESP32 camera to take live images from the camera. Hence, we have to clone it ourselves in the components directory of the example with the following command. Now you can see the camera folder which was not there earlier. Open this person detection example in the VS Code now. This is the main code file. Here you can see the TensorFlow model layers used in this example. Open a new terminal and build this code. Build successfully. For ESP32CAM in menu config, we have to choose the AI Thinker camera module. Save configuration, yes. Rebuild it as we have done the changes. Now it is time to flash the code to ESP32CAM itself. Make sure the GPIO 0 jumper cable is connected to the ground while flashing the code. Remove the jumper cable now and run the monitor command. You might have to change the port name as per your computer, /dev tty USB 0 in my case. Also, you might have to press the reset button when both flashing or monitoring the code. Great, you can see the picture is being captured and some scores are coming for person and no person. The code is written in a way that the probability of detecting a person is converted to an 8-bit unsigned integer value. This means a probability of 0 to 1 is converted to 8-bit unsigned integer between 0 to 255. Person score of 204 came when the person was in the frame of the camera. The camera image taken from the ESP32 cam was internally converted to a grayscale image of 96 by 96 for further processing. Here is the TensorFlow TF Lite machine learning model, which is converted to a C array and being used by this program. We can also add the code to blink LEDs when a person is detected. This blinking LED code can be added in the detection responder CC file, which we will see in another video. This is how we can do the person detection using ESP32 cam microcontroller and see the probability of a person being in the image converted to an 8-bit unsigned integer value between 0 to 255.